What's going on, guys? So I know it's been a long time since I made a video, but Justin's Supra is finally back from paint. It just took a little longer than expected because the body kit didn't fit perfect, and the guy doing it had to modify some of the fiberglass right here, add to it, and then you can see he had to rivet it on here, which you can barely even tell. And then the whole inside got resprayed. There's not really any clear in here because we didn't really care about that, because you're not going to see it. But the outside is just perfect. Like, there's nothing. Like, there's literally nothing wrong. And then he did the engine bay as well. So you can see the whole engine bay's been done. He even undercoated it. So I think in this episode, what we're going to do is start with the interior. We don't have enough time to pull the subframes today, so we can go send them out and get them painted. So I think we're going to start with the interior so we can start putting some of those parts in the car and make more room. But we're going to get it up on the quick jacks and at least pull the wheels so we can get those listed. So let's get it set up on quick jacks, and then I can show you guys like the wheels and the specs on them in case any of you are interested. Okay. All right, guys, so we got car up in the air, wheels off. The wheels are AVS Model T5s. They're in fairly decent shape. They go for about $2,500 for a set of 4. And the front is 18x8, rear's 18x9. The front offset is 35, the rear's 45.
Fronts are 38.
Or fronts are 38s. So if anyone's interested, we're looking for $1,800 or best offer. It comes with the tires. They're in decent shape, but you probably want to get new ones. So it's posted on all the Facebook pages for Supras and everything. 5x114.3 offset, obviously, because it's for a Supra. So if anyone's interested, let us know. We prefer you to pick them up. I do not want to ship because it's going to be like an extra $400. So now we're just kind of going over everything here. He has an issue where when you shut the key off, it instantly kills the ignition, and it doesn't like stay on for a little bit. So it's messing with the tune. On the AEM. So we got to figure that out. That was one thing our tuner said we need to figure out. It doesn't, well, it's not messing with the tune, it's messing with the idle air control valve. Yeah, it's not allowing the idle air control valve to reset because the ignition's not staying on for a little bit. So we're kind of looking at all the wiring now while the dash is all out, and it's going to be a lot easier, and see if we can figure out what's going on with that. Other than that, we're kind of just cleaning and getting it ready to put the carpet in and get all back together. There's a lot of work we got to do. Like I said before, we don't have time to pull the subframes right now. That's going to take a whole entire weekend. So, but yeah, we're going to keep going, keep cleaning, keep running wires, and we'll be back. All right, guys, so we got a lot of work done. So we decided to pull out the dash bar. He's going to get that all painted black, and we're going to rebuild the HVAC system. Because you know the foam thing where it hits you all in the eye, like you can see down there, it's everywhere. All this is just kind of flaking off. Like it's bad. This whole thing needs redone. So we're gonna go ahead and there's a guy that did a write-up on YouTube how to do it, and we'll film it. We're just not gonna get super detailed because I don't want to steal that guy's thunder. But we got all the wiring ran everywhere and over here. I'm not allowed to show you this area, so I'll show you that later. But all the wirings ran, so technically the carpet could go in right now. But we have, you know, the rest of the dash apart. So I think we're actually going to end it here.
We don't need any more new hardware.
In the next video, the next video will be us pulling the subframe out, hopefully when we have more time. And it'll probably be, yeah, that's probably just going to be its own video. And then after that will be a video of us rebuilding the HVAC unit. And then
Putting the interior in, would be then.
Yeah, after the HVAC unit, probably putting in the carpet. And then we're gonna test the HVAC unit because sometimes this heat doesn't work. But this heater core was clogged, but this valve is what controls having heat or not. Because when you don't want heat and you want it cold, it closes this line and only lets a little bit of coolant through the heater core. So yeah, so I think that's gonna be it. These wheels are still for sale. No one messaged us about them yet. I heard they're very popular with NSX guys, but hopefully in the next video we'll be pulling out the subframe. We'll show you guys all that with pulling out all the bushings. And then while they're out, while everything's out getting painted, then we'll do another video of us rebuilding the HVAC system and putting that back in. So that's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a lot of work. It's gonna be a lot of work. Fuck. All right. So I guess we'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.